I've got a broken case on the lawnmower. So there's that. There's some of the parts right there. And so Zack is working with his first time working with JB Weld. And he's putting it in there. That's looking pretty good. Go ahead and put it on the other area, Zack. And then we'll figure out what it's looking like here in a minute. Concentration, concentration. Come on, work on your artwork, work on your artwork. I'll quit being an annoying dad, maybe. Alright. Go down a little further there. Put it down towards the base of the product or the lawnmower there, the case. And then you're going to want to swipe it kind of away because you don't want too much to go into the threaded area.
Okay.
Alrighty, go down the other part over there. Yep, there was a bolt in here earlier. And we took the bolt and drilled it out, and it was a little bit offset. So when we put the easy out in, it snapped it. Oh, you're fine with that, Zack. There you go. Keep going over there. Well, the autofocus on this thing is having a tough time tonight.
Yeah.
I think I was zoomed in just a little too close. That looks good. Finish up that other part.
Did I cover all bases?
Yep. Alright, let's do this over here. Remember, not too much over by the threads.
Sorry, I took your focus point.
That's great. Go the other way. Yeah, I was telling Zack earlier that an old buddy of mine, he used to ride with a motorcycle gang. We will keep them anonymous, but a couple of the guys were at a party one night and he lost a filling, so they got the bright idea to go ahead and put some JB Weld in. The next morning his face was swollen, so he goes to the emergency room and they said, "What did you do?" They said, "We put some JB Weld in where his filling was, and now he has a swollen face." So they called JB Weld. JB Weld said, "We don't have to tell you what's in it because it's a trade secret." So they said, "No, we really need to know," says the ER. And JB Weld says, "Why? It's not a food item." No, that'll squish in, Zack.
Okay.
It's not a food item, so we don't have to tell you. And the doctor said, "Well, I've got a guy in here who used JB Weld as a filling." And JB Weld said, "Oh, that's easy. It could have something to do with the lead content." Boy, that would swell up your face, wouldn't it? Alright, next piece. Set it on down here. On the blue. Alright. This one here, let's do just this backside so we can set it in place. How's that?
Sounds good. Just that?
No, and
Back
yeah.
side.
Remember, stay away. You don't drag it into the threads. Keep it away. This should be good as new. Alright, you want to put that in place?
Yep.
Look at that look of constipation. I mean concentration. That wiggled in place there?
It ain't wiggling. That is in place.
Okie doke.
Next.
Go ahead and put the next one up.
Okay, do we want to get a bolt in there real quick?
No, we'll do it afterwards. We'll put it in, we'll pull it out.
Okay. Okay.
So you want to make sure that this side's lined up here first. Okay. Because if you get this side lined up here, and then you can smack the other side and it'll go into place.
Okay. Those will both line up when you smack them.
Alright.
Bolt.
Yeah, you can put the bolt in. So this here, not lined up yet.
That looks pretty lined up.
Okay, and is that flush or down below?
That's flush.
Look at this line here.
It's flush.
Alright. Are your hands clean?
Hands are clean.
Hold the phone. Hold the camera.
Oh. Yeah, they should be clean. Hold up, this bolt's going in. Oh, sorry.
Now that's pretty flush, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Put the bolt in there.
Yep.
How's that spinning? Spinning good?
Spinning smooth.
Okay, so where's that
Just
stuff?
do it right to there. Right here. Sorry.
No problem?
A few of the shots on this are not on this.
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is no high production run.
Really?
Really?
That looks high production, doesn't it? Ooh, high production hand.
I think we could have mixed up just a little more.
Look at that handling.
Oh, you're a dork. There we go. That's filled in the crack there pretty good.
Nice. Does it look good? Do you have your seal of approval on it? I think they approve. Okay, now right in here to line it up more. More on that ridge rather than on that spot.
I think we're going to have to leave it right about there.
Okay. And in about a few hours, probably say midnight, we'll come out and we'll loosen this bolt a little bit. No?
Nope.
Okay. Just take it out nice and easy. First time using JB Weld. Dad's how manyth time?
I don't know, a couple times. All right, that should work. Come tomorrow morning or tomorrow after church, it should be solid.
Looks pretty. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. That's it. One lawnmower on the way being fixed.